All right, Alpine said she needed her toy.
Yeah.
That's for sure. We've got Alpine back in studio along with Jasmine Kyle from the SEK Humane Society. Tell us a little bit about Alpine.
Yeah, so Alpine is a 2-year-old female Basenji mix, and as you can see, her tail is actually now curled. So a lot of people will mistake her for a husky breed. It's what the Basenjis will do when they are super relaxed and comfortable. It's crazy because she can lay that tail completely fat, but when she's in a happy goofball mood, it'll just curl up like a spring. So
which is awesome because she's been in studio for about in the building for about an hour and a half, and now
this
it's
is
curling.
all
She's
it takes.
calm. Yeah.
So she has been playing this morning. She loves dog treats, loves tug toys. She has been to PSU's Mental Health Awareness Day. She has also been to the Pittsburgh Downtown Art Walk, and we decided that she was ready to come on to KOAM this morning and to Fox 14. So she's been doing great. She usually comes off as a little bit more shy, and then you really get to see that true energy and nature of hers. She's a player and she's a lover. So she is looking for an active household who will take her on walks, who will play with her. She does great with other dogs. She's just looking for a home with no cats.
All right, and you guys have lots of dogs
Yes,
that are looking for homes right now.
yeah.
You could share a few of those other pictures.
That is Betty. Betty, oh my gosh. So we always choose a few dogs that have been with us the longest, and those are our goal makers for that year. She's our last one. Betty is a fantastic 9-year-old black lab mix. She's been to Root Coffee House for events. She's been here with you guys. She knows how to sit, lay down, shake on command. She's fantastic. She's just looking for a home with no other animals. She really just enjoys your own personality and your own company. So she has no adoption fee too. Our 2 girls, so that is Flutterbug and Moki, both mother and daughter pair.
Aww.
So the daughter's Flutterbug. She was born with a neurological difficulty. She kind of walks around like a newborn deer. There is nothing that causes her pain. They are a bonded pair, must be adopted together, and they also are sponsored, meaning they have no adoption fee too.
All right.
She's being a goofball. And Lula, so we call her, she looks almost identical like Betty, but she does fantastic with other dogs, just looking for a home with no cats, and she is also sponsored as well.
I'm thoroughly covered in dog hair.
Yeah, I know.
And Montana.
Montana, we thought we had. It was really close. Montana is 8-year-old Australian cattle dog mix. He has a really cool soul. Is extremely brindled, has giant ears like Alpine. I've personally fostered him for a few days. He is a fantastic dog, just looking for a home with no cats. And then somebody that has a really good fenced-in yard. He is an explorer. He'll be out at Wilderness Park on adventure trails for 2 to 3 hours if you let him. Great outdoor dog.
Okay. Somebody, if you want to get out and about and have a dog to go out and about with you, I think Alpine and Montana would both
They
be
were
great
actually
fits.
at PSU together, so we thought that they would be perfect for each other.
I know we're almost out of time, but real quick, you guys just got another addition this morning to the Pause for a Cause.
So we have the Pause for a Cause virtual auction November 1st to the 5th. We've got some crazy items, including now a gazebo from Backyard Discovery. Como Jewelry just donated a few pieces. And again, we have some really big items like a signed football from Creed Humphrey from the Kansas City Chiefs, a year's worth of sandwiches and bagels from Arby's and Panera, an item for Pittsburgh Steelers, and so much more. So we're really excited, and 100% goes towards the medical fund for these guys. So
and make sure you go to our website, click on this link for this interview, and it'll give you a direct link to the bidding website. Again, that starts November 1st, goes through the 5th.
Yep, that's correct.
All right. That'll be fun to check out.
We're excited.
Well, thank you so much. Hopefully we can find Alpine a new forever home.
We hope so too.
We'll be right back.